recently had an idea of making a game that features melee combat instead of, gun combat that we already have in all those games. It's getting repetitive. And to make an actually good melee combat game, that would be made a system which had infinite attack possibilities. And on top of that, since melee combat involves so much contact of the swords and everything, also to create the reactive character system, for which I decided to use active ragdolls. We get on the melee system later. First, we have to create something that reacts to the environment correctly. Yeah, first we made the active ragdoll. But mate, what is a ragdoll? And no, it's not the cat breed. I don't know why you think that. An active ragdoll is basically your normal game characters that you have in all games, which is animated disabled, but we add physics to it and not just to the dead character, to all of its individual joints. That's why I have the picture over there. Yeah, it's added to all of its joints. And they're also connected using physics, but I won't be going into that because of our life. Yeah, you see how it reacts for environment? Let me zoom in and slow it down. Right now the character is frozen. Now that I unfreeze it. Yeah, see that? Yeah. What is an active ragdoll? It's a ragdoll that's active. You can see this thing. You can think about it like reviving your ragdoll. Like, you start falling just before. Now we have to make it get out. And since it's physics-based, we have to do this using forces. But the infinite direction energy can apply force, right? How do we know how to make it stand up? Well, for that, we kind of use an animation, right? We don't know the force direction and animate you. Basically, we make it copy an animation. We just subtract the target position from the current position. There's no trigonometry or something. You might see the triangle and think all that, but no. We literally just subtract the position, we multiply it with a constant number. And yeah, it's that simple. Here are some fails. Yeah, the active ragdoll is on the right and the animation is on the left. I don't know what I was trying here. And I don't even know what to say this one. I don't know what went wrong. Eventually I fixed it though. Now the fun line. I found a melee combat game online. It's an RPG game. It's called something like Exanima or something. I don't know. I'll put it down in the description. You can check it there. Basically, if you see a red circle, you'd more you see it any second now. It's basically represents the cursor of the blade. And the movement of the sword is governed by the mouse movement instead of those left click or right clicks, which makes sword combat extremely intuitive and seem very, infinite directions like I'm wanted. It can feel like the art combat now. Except Exanima, yes, sideways and upwards and downwards with its flashes. And I decided to add infinite directions. Yeah, I'm bad at explaining. This is how it looks. Yes, you see, that's slashing when you right left click and yeah, it's pretty nice. And over here is thrusting, like you can thrust your sword forwards, right? My rotations are looking messed up. Let me change cut ref quickly. Yeah, that's blocking. And yeah, that's thrusting, you see that? You can thrust wherever your mouse points. It's a pretty neat system, I think. It has great potential. So yeah, I hope you guys like this concept. It'll motivate me to keep working on it. And yeah, now I just have to combine the two, the adaptive ragdoll and the melee combat system. Yeah, that was very easy. Anyway, eventually I did it. I even modeled this character, fixed the animations, he's no longer constipated. Pretty neat. I also had it slicing, even though it's not calculated correctly. But that's not the main motive of the game. It looks very decently. Not where I want it to be, but it's pretty nice. And yeah, this is how much we'll do for part 1. If you like this, I'll continue working on it. If not, we'll make a new game. I'm kind of adding multiplayer. I'm kind of make it like every competitive game out there with ranks and stuff. But melee combat, not shooter. It's something new. I hope you guys like it.